Hi everyone, and welcome. Today we're going to delve into a crucial aspect of Excel that often gets overlooked: regional settings. You see, Excel is a global tool used by millions worldwide, and just like languages and customs vary across the globe, so do the ways we format dates, numbers, and even the language we use within the program. Now, you might be thinking, why should I care about regional settings? Well, let me tell you, understanding these settings can save you a ton of headaches down the road, especially when you're collaborating with others internationally or dealing with data from different parts of the world. Imagine opening a spreadsheet only to find dates formatted in a way you don't understand or numbers displaying with unfamiliar decimal separators. That's where regional settings come in. In this video, we'll explore how to navigate and customize these settings to ensure that your Excel experience is seamless, no matter where you are in the world or where your data comes from. We'll cover everything from date and time formats to number formats, and even how to change the language settings within Excel. So buckle up and let's get started on this journey to mastering Excel's regional settings. Let's start with something we encounter every day: dates and times. Now, what might seem like a simple concept can actually become quite complex when you consider the sheer variety of formats used globally. For instance, in the United States, we're accustomed to seeing dates in the month, day, year format, like December 25th, 2023 for Christmas. But hop over to Europe and you'll likely find dates displayed in the day, month, year format, like 25th December 2023, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. Some countries even use year, month, day formats. Now imagine trying to consolidate data from different regions without a clear understanding of these variations. It could lead to a lot of confusion and potentially inaccurate calculations. The beauty of Excel is that it's designed to handle these regional differences. By default, Excel will display dates in the correct format based on the regional settings of your Windows operating system. However, you have the power to customize these settings at a granular level. Let's say you're working on a project that requires a specific date format regardless of your system's regional settings. No problem, simply select the cells you want to format. Head over to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon and look for the number group. Click on the little drop-down arrow there and choose More Number Formats. In the dialog box that appears, select Date from the category list. You'll be presented with a wide array of date formats to choose from. You can even customize the display further, adding elements like day names or specifying how you want the year displayed. This level of control ensures that your dates are always presented in a way that makes sense to you and your audience. And the same goes for time formats. You have complete control over how hours, minutes, and seconds are displayed within your spreadsheets. Now let's move on to another essential aspect: number formats. Just like with dates, the way we represent numbers can differ significantly across regions. One common variation is the use of decimal separators. In the United States and many other English-speaking countries, we use a period as the decimal separator. However, in many parts of Europe and South America, a comma is used instead. So a number like 1234.56 in the US would be written as 1234,56 in countries that use a comma as the decimal separator. You can see how this could lead to misinterpretations if you're not careful. Fortunately, Excel allows you to customize these separators without having to change your entire system's regional settings. To do this, go to File, then Options, and select the Advanced category. You'll find a section specifically for editing options. Uncheck the box that says Use System Separators, and you'll be able to specify your preferred characters for the decimal separator and the thousand separator. But here's a pro tip. If you decide to use a comma as your decimal separator, remember that Excel will then require a semicolon to separate arguments within formulas. So instead of writing sum, A1, A2, you'd write sum, A1, A2. It's a small adjustment, but crucial for avoiding errors in your calculations. Beyond decimal separators, Excel offers a wide range of options for customizing number formats. You can choose how negative numbers are displayed, whether to use currency symbols, and even how many decimal places to show. This flexibility ensures that your numbers are always presented in a clear and unambiguous manner. Now, let's talk about language. Excel is used in virtually every corner of the globe, and it's available in a multitude of languages. This means you can work with spreadsheets in your native language, even if the data originated from a different region. To explore the available language options, head over to the File tab, then Options, and select the language category. Here, you'll find a list of languages that are currently installed. If you need to add a new language, simply click on the Add a Language button and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you've added a language, you can set it as the default display language for Excel. This will change the language of the user interface, making it easier to navigate the program's menus and features. But it also goes beyond just the interface. Changing the language settings also affects the language used for functions and formulas. For example, if you switch to a Spanish language pack, the sum function, which is suma in Spanish, will appear as suma in your formulas. This can be incredibly helpful if you're more comfortable working in a language other than English. And don't worry, if you need to collaborate with someone who uses a different language setting, Excel can handle that too. You can easily switch between language packs as needed, ensuring smooth collaboration across language barriers. And there you have it. You've now taken a deep dive into the world of Excel's regional settings. We've explored how to customize date and time formats, decipher the nuances of number formats, and even how to work with different language settings. Remember, mastering these settings is crucial for ensuring that your Excel experience is smooth, efficient, and error-free, no matter where you are in the world or where your data comes from. As you continue your Excel journey, I encourage you to explore these settings further and experiment with different options. The more comfortable you become with regional settings, the better equipped you'll be to handle any data challenge that comes your way. And who knows? You might even discover some hidden gems within Excel that you never knew existed. So go forth, explore, and keep on excelling. And as always, thanks for watching.